Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Qualitative Research Hub. Today we are going to learn about NVivo Plus and qualitative research data analysis. How you're going to use NVivo 12 Plus for your qualitative data analysis. For those that are new, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Kosa Qureshi and I have done my research using qualitative research methods and NVivo 12 Plus. Qualitative research relies on unstructured or non-numerical data. As it is clear from the name, it is qualitative. So most of the time the researchers, they are using non-structured, unstructured or non-numerical data. The data includes the field notes written by a researcher during the course of his or her observation, interviews and questionnaires. For qualitative data analysis, the audience may be the policymakers, practitioners, clients, or the research project. When the qualitative researchers try to resolve any social problem using the case study methods, according to the Tim Rapley, he called qualitative data analysis a pragmatics of qualitative data analysis is the hard work begins when we try to explore and explain what is underlying or broader in the data, or to distill essence, meaning, norms, orders, patterns, rules, and structures which are there within the data. Qualitative research is used for evaluating, interpreting, and explaining social phenomena. It investigates unstructured or semi-structured data like interviews, surveys, field notes, web pages, audiovisual materials for different fields of study such as journal articles in social sciences, education to the healthcare and business. NVivo is a software designed to facilitate the researchers in above given processes for qualitative research. The qualitative research methodologies and NVivo Plus. NVivo Plus uses usually adopt qualitative methodology to suit their research questions. For example, a researcher in a sociology wants to develop new concepts, theories, may take a grounded theory approach. A researcher looking for the ways to improve health policy or program design might use evaluation method. NVivo does not favor a particular methodology. You can use any methodology as a researcher for the qualitative research. The NVivo Plus is designed to facilitate common qualitative techniques no matter what method you use. Remember that NVivo can help you to manage, explore, and find patterns in your data, but it cannot replace your analytical expertise. The qualitative research is an iterative process. Qualitative research or handling the qualitative data is not usually a step-by-step process. First, you have to import the data, then you have to code the data, then you have to create the queries, and then interpret and write up. Instead, it tends to be an iterative process where you explore, code, reflect, memo, code, some more, query, and so on. So all these steps are intertwined with one another. You can jump from one step to another step and then go back again to recheck your findings and results with the previous step. For example, this picture shows a path you might take to investigate an interesting theme. So bring in interview documents. First, you're going to import the data within the NVivo software. For that, you need to install the NVivo software first, and then you open and explore the interviews. Sometimes the interviews are transcribed in another language, and then you filter the data from the interviews using NVivo tools. For example, for different questions, you use different kind of headings, and then for the answers, you use different font style or size to distinguish or to easily access the data. Then we are going to quote. Some participants talk about balance. This is interesting. Make a note to collect all the references. For example, coding is like, while reading all these interviews, you have found that all the employees have a particular trait for using internet during the office hours. Now, for example, you can find a question. So how often you use internet during the office hours, and for what reasons? And then you will get different kind of answers from different users during the office hours. Now, when you're coding the data in NVivo, what you will do, you will create a node saying internet uses in office hours, and then you can code all those questions and responses from different kind of employees in the one code that is going to add all the references available from all over the data. Then we create query. Here you can see the queries here where the mouse, the cursor you can see. Do other people talk about the balance too? Run a text search query to find out. Like, text search queries are really helpful to save your time rather than reading each and every line from all the interviews, from all the data. You can simply use a query, text query, to quickly find out whoever have ever talked about the internet usage during the office hour. Then we have reflect part in iterative process. Gather the query results in your balance node and review all the materials in one place. Then display, visualize. For display, we use different kind of tools in qualitative data analysis using NVivo. We can cluster, we have table cluster analysis, we can cluster the data and the qualitative notes and codes in a different manner. We can also display the word tree to see how people talk about the balance. We can use other visualization methods available in NVivo. Then memo. Record your insights and use this memo when you write up your project. That is going to help you to summarize your results and to come up with your own outcome, because NVivo can help you to collect the data, to arrange the data, to manipulate the data. But as a researcher, it is your job to come up with the conclusion using your own analytical skills. NVivo Plus is a research tool. For what reasons the qualitative researchers can use NVivo Plus? Here there is a list of things you can use NVivo for. The one is working with multimedia sources, data sets from surveys. You can manage data from social media sites such as Twitter and the YouTube. You can use NVivo for your literature review, and The ways to leverage visualization to explore your data. You can communicate your findings with your other project partners using the same NVivo. You can use NVivo in the context of a team research, and so on and so forth. So in the next video, we are going to learn what kind of sources are available for creating a new project in the NVivo, and how you're going to manage these sources in NVivo Plus. I have most of the data is collected from this website. The reference is given here. You can easily check the material from their website. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video and press the bell icon so you do not miss any upcoming videos on my channel.